See, dear students, in the last part now, the fourth part, the story is really very big. This lesson is really very big, but it is very interesting lesson. A good English, example of good grammar, all have been seen. Okay, so now in the fourth part, the conclusion towards the story moves. And what is the conclusion? How it comes? Let us start. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. My God. Now he visited once again to Ranchi. It was his wish to go to Ranchi. And you see, he does not remember of the trip he visited. All of them, they said. He came out of the station, and when he really, by the doctor's advice, when he really went over there and get down on the station, what happens? He realized that he never came before. He came out of the station, means it was negative. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. So he went in the town. He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Morabadi hill, with none of these had the slightest acquaintance. Familiar. He was not familiar with any of these. So as soon as he went over there, he realized that he did not ever visited. Now he was checking whether he remembers something, but he remembered nothing. Only his doubt was clear that he never visited. Would a trip to Hudro Falls help? He didn't believe so, but at the same time, he didn't wish to leave with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. So he wanted to try enough to remember. So he arranged for a car and left for Hudro in the afternoon. At 5 o'clock, the same afternoon in Hudro, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu laying unconscious beside a boulder. Now at 5 o'clock, the same afternoon, he was there in Hudro, and two Gujarati picnic people, those who came for picnickers. Now this is a word you will never find anywhere. Okay, those who went for picnic discovered Bipin Babu was unconscious, behosh hoke gire the boulders. Boulders are beside the roads, there are boulders. When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, I am finished. There is no hope left. Now see, when he came round means became conscious. What he said, I am finished. There is no hope. Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. His will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. Was he going to end up in the asylum at? And means what happened? What do you think had happened? That he went there in Hudro Fall also, and maybe he remembered nothing. Or maybe he remembered everything. So he is now, was he going to end up in the asylum, a place where such people are kept, okay, for their safety and all. Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. Now if he is forgetting the things, so how he can work? Back home, he rang up Dr. Chandra and asked him come over. Dr. Chandra was asked. Then after a shower, he got into the bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. He kept an ice bag below his head and again lay down in the bed. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box, and there was a letter in the letter box. So the servant brought the letter, a greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. That was a green envelope, and with red ink it was written his name. Above the name it said urgent and confidential. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter, and this is what he read. And see, there was a letter, and what was the letter? The letter was confidential and urgent. I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. See what the letter is talking. So, was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? Now, it was a letter by Chunilal, and he says that this kind of things your nature has become, that your old friend you don't help when he is bad luck. I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. You have no feelings for your old friend, and I have only what I have only imagination, and a part of which I have retribution as a punishment. As a punishment, I had some imagination for you, and for your unfeeling behavior I have given some punishment. Well, you will be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. And see, the letter says that it was a punishment for you. It was my imagination. Now what? Understood? When Dr. Chandra came, Bipin Babu said, I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. A unique case, said Chandra. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in my hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller. Now, so what is the story? See, explore, think more. The story is this. This was a plan by Chunilal. The Parimal Ghosh, Dinesh Mukherjee, they were the part of the plan. And they made him to believe that he has forgotten the Ranchi trip, but he really never visited Ranchi. It was only Chunilal's plan. Okay, it was only Chunilal's plan. So old friend gave him a lesson that a person must not be such unfeeling, such rude about his old friends and his relatives, his well-wishers, those who are really close to them. A person must be very careful at this. So as a punishment, Chunilal did this, and he made him feel what happens when you are in such conditions. Okay, so Bipin Babu finished the matter by saying Dr. Chandra to give a painkiller. Okay, and Bipin Babu understood the whole story, that it is a plan by Chunilal only. Understood? How funny, how good is the lesson. That is why I wanted to complete it in one day. So because to make you anxious to know what actually going to happen. Okay, and so I made it in several part, 4-5 parts, I think 4 parts, and I am sending it to you. Understood, dear student, how good it is the lesson and how good is Satyajit Ray. So if you come across any other story by Satyajit Ray, read it. He is really good writer. Good day. Read it, read the lesson fully, solve the exercise and send it to me.